Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to change your profile picture on Discord web using your PC. Whether you want to update your avatar to reflect your current interests or just want a fresh look, changing your profile picture is easy and takes just a few moments. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Discord website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Discord home screen where you can see all your servers and messages. Now, look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon representing user settings. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to access your account settings. In the user settings menu, find the section labeled My Account. This section contains all the essential details related to your profile. To change your profile picture, click on the Edit button located next to this section. Once you're in the Edit menu, focus on your current profile picture. Click on it, and this will prompt you to upload a new image. Choose a file from your computer that you'd like to use as your new profile picture. After you've selected an image, you can adjust it as needed. Make sure it looks just right, as this will be how you present yourself on Discord. Finally, don't forget to click Save Changes to ensure your new profile picture is updated across the platform. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on Discord web using your PC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.